January 12th, 2021, Daily Math Review number 1. Use the table to determine which two types of cars have equivalent ratios of miles traveled to hours of time during the trip. So, we have the car type down this side. We have the car type on this column, miles traveled here, and hours of time. So we're going to do the equivalent ratios of miles traveled to hours of time during the trip. So we're going to do miles traveled to hours of time. So we need to figure out two of them. So, what do we want to try? Let's try Ford and Chevy. So we're just doing trial and error. So Ford is 60 to 4. Chevy is 72 to 6. When we multiply here, 60 times 6 is 360. Because 6 times 6 is 36. Put that 0 in. 72 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7, or 7 times 4 is 28. So 288. 288 and 360 is not correct. So it's not going to be Ford and Chevy. So let's try a different one. Let's try, what do you want to try now? Let's try Ford and Kia. Let's try Ford and Kia. So Ford is 60 to 4. Kia is 75 to 5. 75 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 7 is going to be 28. Plus 2 is 30. So 75 times 4 is going to be 300. 60 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30. Oh my gosh! Woohoo! 300 and 300. Those match. So our answer is going to be, yay! Our answer is going to be Ford and Kia. And that is going to be it. That's our answer. Woohoo! Great job!